pancit, guys. I saute the garlic and onion already. I'm sorry. And after onion, we put the liver, chicken liver and heart. We put that first. It's better when you put the liver. This is the best partner of the pancit. Chicken liver.
And we've got some carrots here, cabbage and beans. So you fry the onions, garlic first, and then put the chicken liver in. Pepper.
Pepper. Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
And what is it?
Seasoning.
What's that? What kind of seasoning is it?
It's like a chicken.
Chicken
Seasoning.
stock kind of
Optional only, guys.
chicken
If you
powder.
want- If you wanna
Optional.
would like to put it, it's okay.
So we're making
Pancit.
pancit.
Because my cousin, he wants to eat pancit.
Not just me.
Just me also. Me also. Not only you, well.
He just ate my chips and longestine.
Longestine. Longanisa.
Longanisa.
You wait till the...
Sorry guys, I get it confused. Longanisa, which is sausages.
Yeah, sausages. But we call here in the Philippines is longanisa.
But it's not even that long, it's only short.
No, there's also longanisa. But most the longanisa is short. I don't know why they call it longanisa. But some of them is short. Like the longanisa that I cook. Small.
What about Mona Lisa?
Yeah, Mona Lisa.
Okay, carry on, carry on.
Ah, yeah. We need to cook it first.
So Limwell, this is one of his favorites. This is one of your favorites, Limwell?
Yeah, I love pancit. I love pancit with lots of liver.
Yeah, it's nice.
Wow.
Wait, this is the pancit. Sorry. Pancit.
So it's noodles, like noodles.
Use vermicelli. Vermicelli, the green one.
Look at cheese.
Pancit.
And there's cheese, the lady of the house.
That's
Cheese.
the protector of the house.
Cheesy girl. Looking beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, I can smell it.
The singing.
The singing
Chef.
cook, Filipina.
Yeah. This one, yeah, what we're gonna use it, guys.
So that's a Filipino.
Canton. We call it canton.
They look like it's from China.
Malaysia, I think so. It's vermicelli.
So this is a Chinese.
Vermicelli.
That's from Long Wong. Oh, is that like, what's it called?
The crystal pancit.
Yeah,
Vermicelli.
yeah, Vermicelli. Which is, sounds like Italian. Vermicelli.
Vermicelli.
Yeah, which is.
Vermicelli.
You know where noodles come from?
Vermicelli.
You know where noodles,
Where?
pasta came from?
Yeah.
China.
Yeah.
Because Marco Polo went around China, he brought back gunpowder and noodles and all that stuff.
Yeah, that's why they like noodles.
That's why they got
Oh, this is
Like-
trivia, guys, trivia.
like spaghetti. Yeah, spaghetti,
Yeah.
bolognese.
While we're cooking, there's a
A history lesson.
trivia about noodles. Ah, it's nice.
Wow.
Then after that, we cook, we put in a bowl, then I cook the noodle, I vegetable, then I cook. You can see
Ah.
the noodles. I like it.
So she'll put that in a bowl, the liver, the cooked liver, chicken liver.
Yes, guys. At the same time, we cook the vegetables.
It's good having like these kind of woks. Some more chicken seasoning. Some more soya. No? Little bit of soya sauce. Okay, guys. And I see those Chinese, with the woks going up fast.
Yeah.
There's one that there's one in China in the live streaming, doing the woks, yeah, for the meals,
Yeah, they're good.
fast. And they got like a little pedal,
Hindi natin. Nasa, ayun natin.
like a little pedal.
Oh, yeah.
Things the flame up high and low.
Yeah. We don't need to overcook this vegetable, guys.
Yeah, just need a little bit like
Yeah.
crunchy. Wow.
And I put it all together after when the noodles is cooked.
Mm.
You put some water. This is the way I cook, guys. You need to let it boil for how many minutes?
I don't know.
Then you put pepper.
You
Oh, so once it's boiled, then you put the
Yeah,
vermicelli
vermicelli.
and the noodles. Pancit, Canton.
Four cubes.
So we've got cubes there, stock. So Shirley's going to use pork. Look at that, guys. And then we'll wait for
Only
it to
put
boil.
one.
Yeah.
See, it's salty when you put that.
Because you got the soy sauce that's salty. Then you got the gravy that's salty. The stock.
Really, put this.
Nice. So see how the water has all soaked up
Yeah.
into the noodles and the vermicelli? Now we're going to add the vegetables.
Some half. I can put it all. Okay, all. Yeah. See,
Oh.
this is the
Smoky.
Oh, I forgot the. We put some oyster.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce mix. Nice.
So you got add some oyster sauce, guys.
Till I look at that, guys.
So you can make it any way you like, you know, it depends on, you don't need to add chicken liver, you can add
It's up, yeah, it's up.
pork or meat,
anything.
beef, chicken, you know. You don't just need to have chicken liver.
Yeah, if you don't have chicken liver,
You can substitute for chicken meat.
Yeah,
you put some of this.
I've seen the Thais, they use chicken with their,
Chicken.
what they call it, pad thai, chicken or pork. Yeah, give it, let me have a try.
Oh.
I need some milk.
And pull this a lot. Put this all. Yes. Put this
This is the real life in the Philippines, guys, cooking.
Then it says it,
Hmm?
if it's salty or what. If we need to put some salt
You
or...
need to cut this.
Yeah, we can cut that. You try. Get a knife. No, no. Get a fork. Mmm. Look at that.
Hey, I was meant to taste it, not you.
Oh.
Get out of here. Butter up.
What? We need to add, we need to add salt now. No need. It's okay.
It's okay.
Use the green one.
Oh, that was the one you think, episode.
What?
What do you think of it, Limo?
It looks beautiful.
What, it's all soy sauce? Yeah.
That's enough. Yeah.
good. That's so good.
So beautiful. So masarap. Okay guys, well that's it.
Yeah.
That's how you make pans. What's it? Pancit.
Pancit,
I was
yeah,
gonna go
pancit.
pancit.
Yeah, pancit. Same.
Pancit.
Yeah.
Okay guys.
Bye.
Bye.